MrSettin007 working on the Mercedes SL500. Today I'm going to be working on the 500 SL rather. This is a 91. Working on the glass. Hopefully I can reset it. As you can see, usually when you pull the handle, the glass is supposed to drop, but you see it doesn't, and then it affects you closing the door. So usually that happens when the battery is either pulled out or dies. So I believe there's a reset where I have to press these down together and then press it back up. So let's see if that works. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn the ignition on. I'm not gonna start the car. I'm gonna press these down. And I heard that you gotta hold it for about 5 seconds. And then I'm supposed to press it up. I believe. Let's see if that resets it. No. So there's another technique. Let me make sure I'm doing it right. I think I'm supposed to hold it down for 5 seconds. 1, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. All the mirrors are down now. And then I'm going to put them up. I'll hold it again, maybe 5 seconds. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. That goes down by itself. That goes down by itself once you hit it once. So I'm going to put it up. And let's see if it, I don't know, resets. No. Still not resetting. Let me start it. Battery is not cooperating.